Sometimes we get to help out some kids on the farm, and this is one of those chances. This is a Mathew TRX with a Mathew's grip on it. James has been shooting this bow now for a few months, and he really just kind of needs to improve a little bit on some of his hand torquing issues, and he'll really be dialed in. You know, on an NFAA target system, he's shooting lights out 299 most of the time, sometimes 300. Probably somewhere between 30 and 50 X's. To bring that X count up a little bit and kind of stabilize some of the small issues he has, we're going to see if we can get him a little better rest on here. And, you know, doing that with, you know, lizard's tongue is a piece of cake. So that change was already made. And then the next upgrade is to take the grip of the bow and work with that a little bit. And what we're choosing to do today at this point is take off the Mathew's grip and use one of these BEEREAL by Ultraviews, so Crispy's BEEREAL 2.0, and stick that on it and see how that improves. If you watch his hand grip is actually pretty good. It's got a pretty good, you know, angle up to that wrist. He's trying to get on that grip pretty flat. He's not over gripping that bow much. But again, I think that, you know, lessered grip by Mathews just doesn't fit his bigger hand quite as well. So we got one of these Ultraview 2.0 BEEREALs, and we're gonna snap this puppy on. It's really pretty easy to do, folks. One thing I like about this particular grip is it's flat. It's very flat across the face. It gives you a lot of surface to put that bow against, to rest against, to stop that hand torque motion. Pops off like a piece of cake on the TR, snaps right on like a piece of cake on it, which is great. And what's interesting to me is the handles still work, and this bow is, you know, like, you know, 2 generations back, because right now they're only making the titles, right? So it's kind of nice that the grips still fit, and they fit that well. Then back to the range we go with him, and just kind of watching him palm it. If you really zoom in on it, he's actually got, you know, more of his lifeline there of his hand up against the grip. The grip is a little fatter, and it's got much more kind of pronounced edges on it, so you can tell when you're into that meat of that grip and you're pushing it out there. I think the shooting will prove itself here in the next few weeks as we see his groups. I'm hoping we see more 300s than 299s on the score sheet, and we'll just see how he does on the range. But I thought at this point I'd kind of let you get the thoughts from him directly and see, you know, what he thinks of it. So I turned the mic around and put it on him.
Alright, I really liked the Ultraview grip. I liked the blockiness about it. I liked how it was a sharper incline so I can put more back pressure. Unlike this grip, it's straighter, it's more grippy. I can't slide with my hand as much as I wanted to. It looks nice, it looks clean. I shot really well with it. Yeah, I really like the grip.